What if I made money while I slept? That was the promise of affiliate marketing. I decided to test it with AI tools. No fancy budget, no team, just curiosity. I wanted to see real results fast. This video shows what happened and why. I will share wins and real mistakes. You will hear exact steps I used. Stay until the end for the surprise. Also, I'll show how you can try. I started with a budget of $50. I had zero affiliate experience before this. My AI stack had a writing tool. I used an image AI and voice AI. I chose products in simple niches. No complex tech, just basic tools I knew. My goal was small earnings, fast and steady. I wanted proof before scaling anything. I set a 30-day test timeline. I told myself to treat it like school. I picked niches people search for daily. I avoided crazy tech and finance jargon. Instead, I chose simple products that help. Think kitchen gadgets and productivity tools. These convert faster and need less trust. I wrote human prompts for the AI. No robotic sales copy, just honest talk. The AI helped me shape simple offers. That choice later changed conversion rates. Small niche, small audience, faster testing. I used a simple landing page builder. No complicated funnels, just one clear offer. Headline explained the benefit in one line. CTA was obvious. Click to learn more. I added a short review and image. The AI helped write the review text. I kept forms short to avoid drop-off. Email capture was optional but recommended. Traffic would be the real test later. For now, the funnel was alive and simple. I tested 3 AI writing tools fast. One tool made long robotic paragraphs. I avoided that and picked conversational models. For images, I used quick scene generators. Voice AI gave me steady human-like reads, but I still edited voice to add pauses. The key was prompting like a real person. I told the AI to be curious and blunt, short sentences, casual tone, personal examples. That voice choice made content more watchable. I wrote a script about a kitchen gadget. The AI expanded the idea naturally. I removed technical phrases and kept jokes. I added one real story from my life. That story made the product relatable quickly. I kept each scene short and visual. The voice AI read it with small breaths. I corrected pacing and added small pauses. Then I rendered the audio and watched it. It already sounded less robotic than before. I started with $50 in ads. I targeted simple interests and lookalikes. The first day gave a few clicks only. Click cost was higher than expected. Conversions were almost zero on day one. I did not panic and checked creatives. I swapped images and tightened the headline. The second day showed a small lift. One sale happened and I celebrated quietly. That sale taught me more than the clicks. Lesson 1 was patience, not a magic trick. The AI is a helper, not a replacement. Small tweaks caused big conversion changes. I started asking, what if this scaled? Could I really make steady monthly income? These questions pushed me to test harder. I learned to track tiny metrics daily. Clicks alone do not equal money. Conversion percent is the single most vital number. Focus on making one person want the product. I tried humor first, then sincerity. Surprisingly, sincerity converted better for me. People liked real examples and small numbers. I tested different thumbnails and captions. Thumbnails that showed a real person won. A friendly face builds instant tiny trust. That trust lifted click quality and sales. Which thumbnail made you curious immediately? How would you react to the same image? Questions like these guided future creatives. I rewrote the landing pitch twice more. I added a tiny bonus for first buyers. A checklist felt valuable and easy. Simple bonuses improve perceived value fast. I priced affordably to remove hesitation. The funnel felt fair and clear now. People signing up later thanked me privately. Those messages felt like small wins. It showed me people respond to honesty. Honest offers beat exaggerated promises every time. Once a week, I doubled the ad spend. I watched if conversion stayed stable. Sometimes scale hurt margins at first. I paused, adjusted creatives, and tested again. The AI helped produce variations fast. That speed saved days of manual work. I learned to scale slowly and measure. Each small win funded the next test. This method kept burn low and steady. Gradual scaling felt safer and smarter. I got greedy after a week of sales. I increased spend without checking conversion metrics. Ad costs shot up and profits fell. I lost money for 3 straight days. Panic made me tweak too fast. I learned greed kills a small system fast, so I froze spend and went back analytic. I rebuilt offers and trimmed losing ads. The recovery took time and patience. That lesson was brutal but necessary. A small email sequence lifted repeat buys. People who got the checklist bought again. I had not expected such loyalty early. A short personal note increased trust. The AI wrote drafts. I added voice. That small human touch mattered a lot. Revenue ticked upward without more ad spend. This showed me follow-up beats, one-time clicks. Retention became my secret multiplier then. plan. A steady list equals steady small income. Some buyers asked for refunds early. I handled them quickly and with care. A refund policy that reads friendly helps. I offered extra help instead of fight. Many switched to being loyal customers later. This turned refunds into relationship wins. AI templated replies saved my time, but I edited them to sound human. Tone matters more than rigid policies. Resolving problems fast kept my ratings good. AI made content faster, not miracle sales. Human edits turn drafts into trust builders. Small, honest stories always beat hype. The audience wants clarity over cleverness. A low price with real help wins. I expected big numbers, got steady growth. This surprised my impatience and optimism. Slow compounding earnings felt oddly satisfying. A small audience can fund nice months. Consistency beat flashy hacks every single time. What if I doubled my offer price tomorrow? Would my small audience still buy as much? Could the same system work in another niche? I ran quick tests to answer these questions. Price mattered less than perceived value. A slightly higher price with clarity converted, so I experimented with bundled bonuses next. That small change increased average order value. Curiosity keeps tests honest and fast. These hooks made the journey an experiment. I automated tasks like email and drafts. AI generated variations. I picked the best. This saved hours and kept content fresh. But automation must be supervised, not blind. I set rules to stop poor creatives fast. Weekly checks kept quality and conversions steady. AI scaled ideas, humans added soul. This balance felt like the secret sauce. Too much automation drains authenticity quickly. So I used AI with thoughtful human edits. In 30 days, I made a modest profit. Revenue covered costs and left a small gain. Net profit was not life-changing yet, but the system showed repeatable potential. Each dollar I reinvested grew output slowly. Compound tests beat single big bets again. The key was steady reinvestment and testing. I tracked ROI for every ad variation. Numbers guided choices more than hunches. This turned small wins into modest monthly revenue. One night I checked sales before bed. A single notification made my heart jump. It was a repeat buyer with a thank you. That message felt like real validation. I realized this work helped actual people. Not just clicks, but small, helpful moments. That feeling kept me going the next day. Affiliate marketing became a small, meaningful project. It changed the tone of my tests. Human responses beat any vanity metric for me. A conversational AI unlocked better scripts. A scene image tool boosted thumbnails instantly. Voice AI saved recording hassles on nights. An email sequencer handled follow-ups smoothly. A simple tracker kept all ad stats tidy. Templates cut editing time by half. But the human edit remained the most crucial. Good prompts beat fancy subscriptions sometimes. I paid attention to small UX fixes. These tools together created a smooth loop. Platform rules changed unexpectedly during one campaign. An ad got rejected for a weird line. I rewrote copy and appealed the decision. That delay cost momentum for a week. I learned backups and alternative channels matter. Technical glitches in tracking also showed up. I fixed them with clear UTM parameters. Transparency with customers kept trust intact. These issues slowed growth but taught resilience. Expect problems and plan simple contingencies. After 30 days, I had clear numbers. Revenue was modest, but margins were positive. Conversion hovered around low single digits. Average order value rose with small bundles. Email follow-ups drove a quarter of sales. Ad spend returned roughly 2 times back. Net profit covered tools and left surplus. Not a fortune, but a replicable start. Numbers proved the approach was viable. The plan could scale with better ops. I would slow scaling and test more creatives. I would pre-write longer email sequences earlier. I would use multi-channel traffic from start. I would pick slightly higher priced offers. I would add clearer guarantees and support. I would document every test and result. This would reduce guesswork and wasted spend. Small structural changes make big downstream impact. I would invest early in better tracking. Those moves would smooth growth and profits. AI speeds work, but does not replace judgment. Human edits make AI content trustworthy. Small tests beat grand unproven bets. Focus on one metric, then expand slowly. Customer experience drove most repeat purchases. Keep offers honest and simple every time. Reinvest small profits to keep testing. Patience and steady work win over hype. This experiment was a start, not finish. Try small, learn daily, and iterate quickly. If you liked this test, subscribe for more. I will post the spreadsheet and templates next. Click the playlist on your right for tutorials. Watch the video about scaling ads next. You will see detailed steps and examples there. Drop your questions below and I will answer. Tell me if you want the prompt pack too. I pick one comment to feature every week. Thanks for watching this real experiment with me. Now click the playlist and keep learning.